Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm fine too.
This is my first time speaking English with you.
That's great. We can practice together.
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, just speak slowly.
Okay. So, what is your name?
My name is Priya. And you?
My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you live?
I live near the market. What about you?
I live close to the bus stand.
Which class are you in?
I am in class 11. And you?
Same. I am also in class 11.
Do you go to any coaching?
Yes, I joined one last month.
Oh, really? How is it?
It's good. The teachers explain the topics clearly.
Do they teach all subjects?
Yes, they have classes for science and math and also for English.
That's nice. Do they give notes?
Yes, they give printed notes and worksheets.
Do you find the notes helpful?
Yes, very helpful for revision.
Is the coaching very expensive?
Not too much. It's reasonable.
That's good. Why? Are you thinking of joining?
Yes, I am thinking, but I'm confused.
What is your main goal?
I want to prepare well for my board exams and also competitive exams.
Then coaching can help you.
But can't I study at home?
You can, but coaching gives you discipline and regular practice.
Do they take tests?
Yes, every Sunday we have a test.
That's good for checking progress.
Also, the teachers give tips for solving questions quickly.
That's useful for exams.
Why are you confused about joining?
Because I don't know if I can manage school and coaching together.
If you plan your time, you can manage. I go to school in the morning and coaching in the evening.
How many hours is your coaching class?
2 hours daily, 6 days a week.
That sounds manageable.
Yes, and the environment is good. Everyone is serious about studies.
Do you like group study?
Sometimes, but I'm mostly study alone at home.
Same here. I like peace when I study.
The coaching also gives extra classes before exams.
That's helpful. Do you think I should join?
If you feel you need guidance and regular practice, yes.
Okay, I will talk to my parents.
Sure. And remember, even if you join coaching, self-study is important.
Yes, I know.
So, how is your preparation now?
Average. I need to improve in physics and math.
Coaching can help in those subjects. The teachers give shortcuts and important questions.
That sounds good.
But joining coaching is not enough. You must revise daily.
I will try.
Good. And one more thing. Don't skip homework.
Yes, homework keeps the topics fresh.
Exactly.
Do you have coaching homework every day?
Not every day, but at least 3 times a week.
That's fine.
If you join, we can study together sometimes.
That would be nice.
Okay. Then when will you decide?
Maybe by next week.
All right. Just think about your goals and time.
Yes, I will.
And remember, English will also improve if we keep talking like this.
Yes, today's conversation helped me a lot.
Great!
Thank you for telling me about coaching.
Anytime.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, see you.
Bye.